At West Union Gardens, they make mini straw bales. They start with large straw bales and take them apart to feed into the miniature case straw baler. The miniature baler compresses the straw as it pushes the straw through the chute. Two guys working together feed a wire through the bales and tie the wires around the bales. As the bales are pushed out, they make a large pile. This is a replica of a miniature case straw baler. After the bales are made, they get a final trim, and then they are put into a box for shipping. Thank you to West Union Gardens for letting me make this video.